ladies and gentlemen. Check this thing out. What we got for you today is a 2016 Kx100. She is, as you can tell, a two-stroke. And it runs very well. It doesn't have a whole lot of hours on it. It doesn't have an hour meter, so I couldn't exactly tell you. But figured we'd set her up on a center stand and show it to y'all today. This one is a 100. Everything's in good shape. That chain's a little dirty, but it ain't bad. Everything's nice and clean. That's not leak, that's just dirt. We got red clay down here in Tennessee. But there ain't a whole lot to hit on this bike. It is in good shape. You can tell it runs good. It rides okay. The brakes are in good working order. It is a 100, so you shorter people will really appreciate the seat height on it. Everything on this bike is in very good condition. That simple little two-stroke motor. See the rear disc. This bike still has, I mean, you can't even tell it's been dirty in here. No scratches. It's even got the little protector for the rear shock. But you can see the radiator, or the oil cooler, I'm sorry, on the one side, and that big torque pipe on the other. It is kickstart only, that's why I started the video with it running. But kickstart comes out. It started with the first kick. Super easy to fire up. And then you've got your kill switch, which is right here. Very light bike. I literally just picked it up and stuck it up here. And this bike is for sale. You can find it at pioneermotorcycles.com. The fine people over here at Pioneer Honda in Winchester let me bring this thing out. So make sure you give them a shout. It runs great, shifts great, and we hope to have y'all visit us. I'll leave a link in my description down below. Make sure you check them out, and if you enjoy the videos and you would like to see more, please hit that like and subscribe button as well. But y'all have a blessed day.